Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to get the car and truck moving from right to left across the screen. So I do have a timer here called car clock, which I set to 10. And what I'm going to do is go into design view, or the blocks view. And the way we're going to make the car and truck move from right to left across the screen for the runner to jump over is similar to how we made the pillars move in your Flappy Bird game. So I'm going to go to my car clock and I'm going to drag a tick event for the car clock onto the screen or onto my workspace. And what do I want to do every time it fires? I want to change the location of the car and the truck image sprite. So I'm going to have them move kind of at separate speeds. So when I update their values, I'm going to update them, or when I subtract pixels from their X property, I'm going to make it different for both the car and the truck. So now if I go to car, I'm going to do set X value. So I'm going to do set car X to be get car X. We'll try -5 initially. So I need a -1 minus block. So subtracting from his X property moves him from left to right. And then tentatively, I will pick a value of, let's say, 10. Okay, and then now I'm also going to make the truck move. So, and I'm going to do it in the same clock tick event. So let me go find the truck. Actually, I can just duplicate this and then choose truck instead. All right, and now he's going to go, let's try 6 pixels for him. Okay, so now I need to handle what happens when they go off the screen. So what I will do is do an if statement for each of them. And then it's going to say, what are we checking for? Well, remember let's see, our screen is right in the middle of our canvas, and our canvas is 3 times the width of one of the screens. So basically, you know the car will have gone off the screen if his X property has become less than screen width minus however wide he is. So, which would put him just off the left edge, because the left edge is going to be its X pixel coordinate is screen width, because it's screen width pixels from the very left edge of the canvas. All right. So now what do I want to do? I want to check to see what his value is and check to see if it's less than a certain value. So I'm going to drag one of the equals, change it to less than or equal to. I'm going to go back to the car. I need to get his X value. So I say if car.getX less than equal to, and it needs to be screen width minus car width. So let's see, I need to do get screen width and minus car width. All right, so I need a subtraction 1 again. So what do I need to do when that happens? Well, that means he's gone off the screen. I want to reposition him over on the right edge of the screen. So I'm going to do car.setX, set car X, and the right edge of the screen is at 2 times the width of the screen. So I'm going to go to the math. I'm going to multiply, and then I'm going to do 2, and then I'm going to do screen width. Okay, then I need the same thing for the truck. So I'm just going to duplicate those lines of code. And let's see. So I need to change that to truck and truck and truck. All right, so one of the fun things is you can make the background and the car and the truck all kind of moving at different speeds. So I'm going to go, I can't remember how quickly we made the background move in the scrolling background timer. Oh, looks like we made it go by 10 pixels per every time the clock fires. So let's make the car go a little faster than that. Make it go 13. And then we'll keep the truck going. It's, let's see. Oh, here we go. We'll make the truck go 7. All right, so that should be enough to have the car and truck continuously cycle across the screen. Let's go and make sure that we have that timer enabled, because basically as soon as the program starts, you're going to want to have those that car and truck moving, at least for now, until we add a different feature to the game. Okay, so that'll be it for this screencast.